Those who are preparing for various competitive examinations will come across problems based on time and work. So in this video, I'm going to explain some easy ways of doing this type of sums. 15 men can do a piece of work in 24 days. How many days will 18 men take to do the same piece of work? Piece of work is same, but number of people change. 15 men can do a piece of work in 24 days. Question is to find out how many days needed by 18 men to complete the same piece of work. Here 15, 18. So number of men increases. Work to be completed is same. So when the number of men increases, number of days required decreases. So you can write like this as a proportion. 15 is to 18 is equal to x is to 24. Here it is written in the reverse order. 15 men take 24. So instead of writing 24 is to x, because there's an inverse relation. When number of men increases, number of days decreases. So that's why here it is written x is to 24, not to 24 is to x. 15 men take 24. So it is written as the second number in this ratio. So from this ratio and proportion we can write 15 by 18 is equal to x by 24. So after rearranging you can get x is equal to 15 into 24 by 18. So answer is 20 days. So you can see as the number of men increases, number of days decreases. So from 24 days now only 20 days enough. Same sum, another easy way is you write men days. 15 men take 24 days. Question is to find out when 18 men are there, how many days needed. Then here, as the number of men increases, number of days decreases. So decreases, so you have to put an arrow from greater number to smaller number. So it is decreases. Here, as the number of men increases, number of days decreases. So number of days decreases, so you have to put from arrow from greater number to smaller number. Then we can write like that. X is equal to number at the arrow head you write at the top. So 15 by 18. What is at the arrow head should be written in the numerator. So 15 by 18 then into 24. So you'll get the same answer. Now let us see another interesting problem. It seems to be complicated, but if you know the technique, it is very easy. 9 carpenters working 7 hours a day can make 9 benches in 6 days. How many days will 12 carpenters working 6 hours a day take to make 36 benches? First you write the headings like this: men, hours, benches, then days. What is to be found out? You have to write last. Here question is to find out the number of days needed by 12 carpenters working 6 hours a day to make 36 benches. So 9 carpenters working 7 hours a day can make 9 benches in 6 days. Question is, if 12 carpenters are working 6 hours a day, then how many days needed to make 36 benches? So let us assume the number of days required is x. Here you see 9, 12. So number of men increases. 9, 12. When number of men increases, number of days needed decreases. So number of days needed decreases. So you put the arrow from greater number to smaller number. You have to see here number of days. Number of days decreases. When number of men increases, number of days needed decreases. If there is a decrease, you have to put the arrow from greater number to smaller number. Here you see hours 7, 6. So number of hours decreasing. Here carpenters are working 7 hours a day. Here 6 hours a day. When the number of hours working becoming lesser, more days are needed. That means number of days increases. Number of days increases. If there is an increase in the number of days, you have to put the arrow from smaller number to greater number. Benches, 9 benches, 36 benches. So number of benches increases. So more benches are to be made. So more days are needed. That means number of days increases. Even if the number of days is increasing, so you have to put the arrow from smaller number to greater number. Then you can write like this: x is equal to, then here you see 9 is at the arrowhead, so that is to be written in the numerator. So 9 by 12. The numbers at the arrowhead should be written in the numerator. So 7 by 6. Here then arrowhead is 36. So 36 by 9. Then here last 6 is to be written in the numerator. After simplification, you will get this answer. So 21 days are needed. If 12 carpenters are working 6 hours a day, in 21 days they can make 36 benches. This type of problems will be useful those who are attempting competitive examinations. Not only that, in various problems in day-to-day life can be solved if you know maths. So in my next video, I'll come with more techniques like this. Those who have not subscribed, try to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.